Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for coming back here. Today is 2022 July the 14th. How to live trade Forex today? Let's go with our plan. Alright, let's see what are we going to focus. So in this video, we are going to look out for the currency pairs to focus for the day and start trading in the UK hour for me. Alright, okay. So over here， 大家好，在这个时段里面呢，我们要开始在这边做一些筛选的活动啊。然后呢，我在这里呢，要开始做一些筛选，然后呢，让大家呢，我们有一个这个货币对可以关注，可以专注的去做单子啊。这样的话，我们做起单子的时候就比较有这个专注力啊。So over here, let's come back here in the English, all right? Okay. So yes, what is that? What are we going to take a look over here once again? All right. So let's see. Okay. So over at this point here, we are going to focus and look out for the currency pairs. All right. So what are the currency pairs that we are going to look out for? Okay. So right here, let's see. Okay. And over here, yep. All right. Okay. Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. Okay. First thing first, the Aussie CAD. All right. Okay. And right now, let's see. Okay, Aussie CAD. Hi, Hubert, Flora, Carol. All right. Nice to see you all. Okay, y'all. Always the first few. All right. Okay, CK 你好. Alright, okay, Bradley, Aiden, Trinette. Alright, so nice to see all of you here. So thank you for coming in. I hope yesterday we have a good night for the pound dollar since we have the inflation rate has surged. Okay, and there are a few of them. I received your emails, your PMs. Okay, so I will answer your questions. Alright. Okay, so but let me finish this analysis first. Okay, so yeah. If you have questions, yes, you can just shoot your question in my YouTube channel comment box over here in live. All right. Okay, let me quickly go through what are we going to focus today. All right. So over here, right over here, okay. So over at this point here, okay, let's take a look. Right now, Aussie CAD. Can we actually start selling on Aussie CAD? Actually, Aussie CAD today we are on the support. Yesterday we are trying to break the support, but it doesn't break the support. So today, no, still no. Okay. So quickly, okay, make it a very simple analysis over here and a very clear one, so that we can answer a lot of questions. Okay, first thing, another one thing over here about Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc in the bear, but retracing upwards now today. Okay, so over at this point we are not supposed to sell, right? We are not supposed to sell, so we have a retracement going on, and this is something that we should take note. Right, so I'm going to skip this today as well. Right, Aussie yen, yes, Aussie yen. Today another retracement, so another moving upwards. So we have nothing to trade for Aussie yen as well. So currently, okay, all right. Currently, I will be looking at this part here where this is not really a fantastic one. Okay, so I'm not going to this. All right. So yep. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that skip this Aussie yen. All right. Aussie Kiwi here. All right. Aussie Kiwi. No, nothing today. All the Aussie are all moving upwards, retracing from the support. So actually retracing from the support, will there be any chance that I can sell from here? By looking at this Aussie dollar, okay, only for Aussie dollar. All right. There's one for Aussie dollar that I can see. The Aussie dollar, we still have a good chance. All right, Aussie dollar. So over at this point here for Aussie dollar, right, we are now here about 60 pips away from the support. Okay. However, right, over at this point here, the resistance is up here. Okay, we have tested once. Okay, we have tested once, and this is actually building up. It looks like it's going to build up a very very tight head and shoulder over here. The left shoulder head and the right shoulder is coming soon. All right. It may okay, but then again is that at this point, all right, at this point here, is unable to tell very clearly. So I will put the resistance up there first. All right. So at this point, Aussie dollar, if it's going to test on the resistance without breaking, all right, then we will have a good chance to sell down again because it's still looking good to retest the support over here. So Aussie dollar, yeah, I'm going to put this into my selling list. Okay, Aussie dollar. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. So at this point here, only Aussie dollar in the Aussie category. Right. So let's move again to Euro Aussie. Right. Euro Aussie. Let's take a look. Euro Aussie. Yes. Are we good to sell today? Yes. It seems like we are coming back into the bear, into the transition of the bear here. So over at this point here, all right, and we are coming back into the bear. However, let's look at support first, where the support level is here, right? So the resistance level is quite over here, right? So it looks like if we want to sell Euro Aussie today, we got to break the support first. We got to break the support before we can start selling. It breaks with a new resistance below. Yes, then we can sell. All right. If not, then we cannot sell this. All right. Yes, this is for this right. Okay, we can tell very clearly that we still have a chance to sell. Okay, so currently by looking at this, right, shall we put this into the selling list? Okay, let me see once again to confirm. Okay. Over at this point here, I would say that tentatively okay, but I will say that we have to break the support first. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie, we can place this in the selling list. However, this must break the support. Okay, EURCAD. Let's take a look at EURCAD. Right, EURCAD over here. Okay, let's take a look. EURCAD, we are in the bear. So right now we are going to sell. All right. So once again, we are in the bear. But then again, is that we are very near to the support level. Okay. So EURCAD, now we are very near to the support level. Let's take a look. Okay. So EURCAD support level, yeah, it's actually 27 pips away. Okay, we are still about 27 pips away. So currently, okay, if we are going to sell on this EURCAD, I would prefer to wait for a resistance. Okay, I would prefer to wait for the resistance. As you can see, it's actually moving from the resistance all the way down near to the support. Am I right? Okay, so for this instance, 27 pips to the support. Okay, then I prefer to use a scalp. Okay, later on in the UK hour, then we'll take a look how it goes. Then we will see whether should we. Right now we have a selling signal. Okay, we have a selling signal, but then again is that this selling signal is actually pretty low, right? The price is actually pretty low, very near to the support. So I will prefer to wait for the retracement, a pullback, then we start selling. Okay, all right. So yeah, and let's move on for this. So am I going to put EURCAD? I will say the EURCAD is okay. Then it's good to put it into the selling list, but wait for a pullback. Okay, wait for a pullback. Okay, so Euro Yen. Let's take a look. Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen, right? One day after one day, it's getting nearer after it hits the support, and now it's actually coming back. Okay, so over here, right? So at this point here, Euro Yen, now we are actually waiting for the resistance at this point here, correct? Yesterday, so it break the resistance, retest the resistance as a support. So what's next? Testing on the higher resistance. So still going for a buy. All right, still going for a buy. So tentatively, we are going to look at this as a buy, that it will continue to test the resistance over there. All right. So Euro Yen, I won't be putting this into my list right now. So wait for the pullback to test the resistance, then we will have a chance. Okay. All right. So Euro Yen tentatively is still in the bear, but then again we need to wait for the resistance. Okay. Wait for it to test the resistance before we take action. All right. Euro Kiwi. How about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So right now the bull actually turning down, seems like it's a bear. Now we should sell really. Okay, so actually it's still looking out for the support. Still looking out for the support to push further up. However, alright, this support is actually very near, coming very near already. So the support is over here. Okay, the support is here. So now tentatively looking at it is actually breaking through and now retesting back for a lower price. So will that be a good chance for us to sell? But the thing is that we are still in the bull. Okay, so is it a good chance? I will say that tentatively I won't go into it. Okay, I won't go into it. All right. Okay, so let's skip this. Euro dollar. All right, euro dollar. We have on today is Wednesday. On Monday, right? On Monday, today is Thursday. Right, today is Thursday. So on Tuesday, it ever touches 1:1 and it bounced back for 40 pips. Then after that, it came back again. Right, today will it still continue to break lower? Right, so after the struggling of the fighting back of the pullback, all right. So if you can see over here, it touches 1:1 and then it pull back. Am I right? This area here on the 12th of July, it pull back, then pull back for 50, I guess, if I'm not wrong, or 60. All right, about 60 pips. So 60 to 70 pips. Then after that, yesterday it still continued to slide down, slide off. All right, and as we can see on many platforms, news were all announcing that okay, euro has hit the historical 1:1, whatever. Okay, so this place here, after the inflation announcement, the surge, and now it's coming back once again. It is still good to sell. It looks like the euro either they are going to should I say give up and let it drop, until a point, then they start to salvage the situation. Well, probably, maybe, and may not. Correct. Okay, so it's in the dilemma. So tentatively, if you're asking me right now, if I'm going to sell euro dollar, I guess it's gonna be tough. Right. So this is a very struggling area for them, as well as for the trader. There's a lot of guessing game. So I'm not going to play this guessing game and get myself into big trouble. Okay. All right. So we skip this. Okay, so Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. All right, Pound Aussie over here. Right, Pound Aussie. Okay, we are now at the verge of coming back into the bear. All right, it's going to go back for a retesting. So currently we are still on the support. So tentatively, I'm not going to put this into my list because it's still in the bull. The bull is actually coming back for a support, and there is nothing that I can do. All right, so let's skip this. Pound CAD. How about Pound CAD? Well, Pound CAD over here. Let's look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD over here, we are in the bear. We are still running on the bear side. So in the bear, what are we looking out for? I'm looking out for some support. Okay, where is the support? Since I'm looking out for a selling. Okay, so let me see where's the support level. Well, tentatively, by looking at this, the support level has broken. Okay, so we are near to no. Yep. Okay. So tentatively, all right. By looking at this situation over here, let me take a look at my trading. Support should be here. Okay. We still have a very good space to go. Okay. We still have very good space to go. So at this moment, okay, we are looking for selling. But then again, it's rock bottom, So how should we actually take a trade from this Pound CAD? Okay, when the support is that when you cannot find this support nearby here, right? The nearest support. what I will do is that I will look out for the resistance. Okay, I will look out for resistance to sell. So if it keep dropping, then of course I just take it as I give it a miss. All right, so where it's starting to pull back, I will look out for entry point when the pullback comes. Okay, so for example, like this, since you know the support is right at the bottom, okay, so it's very far away. Am I right? So I can't be like, okay, let me enter a trade right now. No, this may not be a good entry point. So I will prefer, okay, I will prefer to wait for it to retest the resistance. Then when it starts selling, okay, then I think that will be good. Right, that will be so much better, you know. Then I will prefer to wait, okay, because the support is very far away. It's not logical, right? It's not really logical for me to actually plan a trade to use this support as a gauge. It's far too much. So I would prefer to wait for resistance, then we sell. Okay, so EURCAD, okay, I will put this into my selling list. Okay, all right. So next to go FOREX, right? FOREX over here. I know that for the FOREX is actually selling down, and now we have a retracement. So with this retracement, okay, this is not very ideal to sell. All right, so I'm going to leave this aside. Okay. Well, pound yen. How about pound yen? Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. All right, pound yen over here. Okay, let me move this away. Right. Okay. So over here, pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen, same thing. It has hit on the support, and it's actually hitting on the support once again. Like we actually seen this right. Past 2 days, where the pound yen. I'm expecting to see a pound yen to break the resistance here. Then it will start to escalate up. All right, escalate up. So I think in one of my video, I actually anticipate this pound yen to reach about 165, 655 or 6 or somewhere there. All right, okay, or yeah, or 166299 or something like that. Okay, so later on UK hour we'll give you a check again. All right. So currently it hits on the support and it's not breaking. Now it's starting to move back. Okay, it started to move back. So I think tentatively it's going to look out for a price at about 1662 or 1656, somewhere there, I think. Okay, let me check later on. So nothing for me to buy, to sell today. For pound yen, I'm going to stay away. All right. Okay. Currently pound yen. Okay, currently pound yen. After this, we can look at this system over here. All right. Okay. So pound kiwi, right? Pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi here. All right. Pound kiwi over at this point, right? Pound kiwi. Okay. Like looking at this, it is still in the bull, but it's in ranging. Okay, it's in the situation of ranging. So at this point here, all right. At this point here, the ranging over at this point is not really very ideal to sell. Ideal to buy. If I want to sell, it's in the bull. I want to buy, it's not there yet. Okay, not very clear. So I'm going to stay away. All right. Okay, so let's move again. Pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Right, pound dollar today we are in the bear. Right, in the bear, selling off. Yesterday we're having an indecisiveness despite the news that came in the afternoon, and then after that it started to surge and come back again. All right. Then we had after the former chancellor has taken over, has been appointed to take over Boris Johnson, and then you know, price started to surge back, go back again, and well, slowly it's coming back down here. That means to say pound dollar, it is still looking out for a selling. So yes, looking out for selling, that's good, pretty good. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for an opportunity to sell for pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar tentatively, where do I sell? Where do I sell for this pound dollar? Look out for the support first. Okay, we are in the middle. We still have about 30 pips to go. Look out for the resistance over here. We still have about 50 pips. Okay, so at this point, should I actually wait for a retesting of the resistance and then continue the selling? Yes, probably. Okay. But we still have our 30 pips. So we have a 30 pips of selling. Like now, like this, we have a selling cycle like now. Okay. Yes, I think it's a good time that we can sell from here to here to stop here. All right, because over here we can see there's a support level. Okay, so after breaking the support level, then let's take a look with this. Prices below the support level to sell to the next support will be about 28 pips. Okay, then we take the opportunity there. All right, so that's for pound dollar. Okay, next to go. Right, next to go. Okay, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD today, what are we going to expect to see? Dollar CAD, as we can see, the dollar yen today from the market opening until now is still riding the bull to the moon. There's no difference between the dollar CAD. So actually for now, I won't be touching dollar CAD first. All right, dollar franc, same thing, is still on the bull. All right, running through. So I'm not going to touch this. So just now, as I mentioned, dollar yen, it is still riding the bull to the moon. So I will not touch this as well. All right. Okay. So coming back here in the Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin over here we have touches 18. All right. Yesterday we had touches the 18.8, and now actually retracing upwards to the 20. All right, so I'm still waiting. All right, so tentatively a lot of waiting for this Bitcoin over here because a lot of uncertainties, a lot of regulators actually coming in for this Bitcoin. So a lot of uncertainties. So I will prefer to wait. Okay. All right. So yes, and answering your question over here. Okay. The gold trading here. All right, I received some PMs here to actually ask about the goal over here. How did actually I managed to read this? Okay, so very simple actually. For this, okay, I'm on the 17.25. This is my targeted price. So when you're asking me whether it will start to continue, should I buy or should I sell on this goal yesterday? All right. I actually say that this is a selling, all right, the selling, where the gold price is actually still on the selling. Okay, so I know there are many people actually take the right, okay, for a trade for selling and buying at the same time yesterday. That actually gives you profits. Am I right? Okay, that may be one strategy. I wouldn't say it's wrong, but I will not do them. Okay. Okay, so I will say that tentatively by looking at this situation here, okay, what you are asking about this 17.12, no 17.15, okay, tentatively I will say that in this 17.15, okay, it's possible, okay, it's possible to touch the 17.15 once again, right, before it actually have a change. Well, anyway, tentatively by looking at this goal over here, we are actually still looking out for a lower price. Okay, currently it is still not there to reverse. All right, so currently it is still looking out for a lower price as a support. Okay, still looking for a lower price as a support. So what is the lower price as a support? I will come back later in the video. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, I hope I have answered your questions. All right. So over here, and I will be more or less focused a lot on more on pound dollar today because it looks like a pound dollar is the one that nearest to me that we can actually grab a trade immediately. All right. Okay. Hi. Good morning, Janish Batarai. Hey, Janice Batarai. All right. Okay. Hi. Good morning to you. Okay. So. Yes, let me send out this what I have chosen. Okay, I have pick up Aussie dollar, Euro Aussie, EURCAD, pound CAD, pound dollar. All right, so I pick up all these, and I hope all these will help. Okay, so later on in UK hour, I'll be coming back here. All right, to trade with all these currencies. Okay, so yes, stay tuned and I will come back later on. All right, guys, thank you guys. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. Remember to click on the subscribe button and smash the like button, all right, for the appreciation of the effort behind the video. Right, okay, thank you so much guys, and I shall wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful of profit today. Right. See you again later on in UK hour.